Top 10 Relaxing Vacations for Nature Lovers. Number 1. Bali, Indonesia. This Indonesian island is a top pick for nature lovers, with its lush tropical landscapes, scenic rice paddies, and stunning beaches. From the terraced rice fields in Ubud to the black sand beaches of Lavina, Bali offers a range of natural beauty that can be enjoyed through activities like hiking, snorkeling, and surfing. Number 2. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is well known for its commitment to ecotourism and preservation of its rich biodiversity. With its biodiverse forests, waterfalls, and wildlife, it's the perfect destination for nature enthusiasts. Visitors can enjoy activities like ziplining through the jungle, whitewater rafting, and wildlife spotting. Number 3. Norway. With its breathtaking fjords, glaciers, waterfalls, and scenic hikes, Norway is a nature lover's paradise. Take a scenic drive along the Atlantic Road to see the dramatic coastline, or hike to the top of a mountain for panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Number 4. New Zealand. This island nation is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, national parks, and wildlife preserves. New Zealand offers a diverse range of ecosystems, from the rolling hills of the South Island to the tropical rainforests of the North Island. Outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, and whale watching are popular in New Zealand. Number 5. Ecuador. As a hotspot for ecotourism, Ecuador offers a range of diverse landscapes, from Amazon rainforests to the Galapagos Islands. In the Galapagos, visitors can experience wildlife like sea lions, giant tortoises, and blue-footed boobies up close. On the mainland, visitors can explore the Amazon rainforest, visit waterfalls, and participate in cultural experiences with indigenous communities. Big Sur, California. Big Sur is famous for its stunning coastline, redwood forests, and natural hot springs. This area is perfect for a relaxing vacation, with opportunities for scenic drives, hiking, and soaking in the hot springs. Number 6. Big Sur, California. Big Sur is famous for its stunning coastline, redwood forests, and natural hot springs. This area is perfect for a relaxing vacation, with opportunities for scenic drives, hiking, and soaking in the hot springs. Number 7. Banff, Alberta. Banff is one of the most beautiful national parks in Canada, with scenic mountain ranges, turquoise lakes, and diverse wildlife. Hiking, fishing, and wildlife spotting are popular activities in Banff, and the park is also a great destination for winter sports like skiing and snowboarding. Number 8. The Serengeti, Tanzania. The Serengeti is a vast savanna in Tanzania known for its wide-open vistas and diverse wildlife, including the great migration of wildebeests and zebras. Visitors can experience this unique landscape on a guided safari, and get up close with the wildlife while on game drives. Number 9. The Maldives. The Maldives is a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean, known for its crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life. Ideal for snorkeling and diving, visitors can also relax on the pristine beaches and enjoy the breathtaking sunsets. Number 10. The Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee/North Carolina. The Great Smoky Mountains are the largest protected area in the eastern U.S., offering majestic mountain ranges, scenic hikes, and abundant wildlife. Visitors can hike to scenic overlooks, fish in streams, or simply relax in the natural beauty of the area. Thanks for watching our top 10 list. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one.